This is a 1941 Ford two-door sedan. It's a deluxe. And we just started it up. As you see, it runs perfect. Got new battery, new wires, new plugs, rebuilt carburetor. The car sat for a number of years, so we went through the complete fuel system, cleaned out the gas tank, made sure everything is good. We did brakes on the car all the way around, new wheel cylinders. If you look, this is all original paint. This one fender has been repainted. You can see it's got a little more shine than the rest of the car. It had a dent in it. It got fixed. Other than that, it's all original paint, original trim, original bright work on it. There's your brake lights. I'll go to the front. We'll look at the headlights. There's the horn. There's the running lights, and there's the headlights. There's the wipers. And we'll get inside here. If you take a look, you'll see this is all original interior. It has some wear, a couple little holes, but again, you're looking at an original car that has sat for over 50 years, and we've gone completely through it to get it running and driving great. 28,000 miles. There's a sticker, oil change sticker on the car showing 27,000 miles in 1952, and that goes along with what we were told on how long this car has sat. The radio, it'll hum a little bit and the light goes on, but it's not working. Does have a heater. That works. All the gauges, oil, amp, temp, and fuel gauge works. Speedometer works. Car shifts nice, has a lot of pickup. Nice strong flathead V8. So if you're interested in a nice 1941 Ford, give Nick a call, 586-453-9316.